Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you haven't done so already, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. In today's video, let's take a look at 7 popular design styles for American kitchens. We are going to start with one-wall kitchens. Now, one-wall kitchens are pretty self-explanatory. All of the cabinets, the countertops, and the major work surfaces like refrigerator, sink, stove, oven, everything is going to be arranged along one wall. So the other 3 sides of the kitchen are open and usually face living areas. This is going to be the perfect layout for very small kitchen areas. So next, let's talk about one that almost all of us have seen. Let's talk about the kitchen island. Now, a kitchen island, if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's a freestanding cabinet which can either match your existing kitchen design or complement it. Now, a kitchen island is so versatile. It can have kitchen stools, like bar stools around it, and you can use it for an extra eating area. It can have storage drawers or cabinets, and it can be used to house your cooking appliances. Now, you can have it professionally installed, and you can even place some of your kitchen appliances in the island itself. Like, I have seen a microwave located in the kitchen island, a wine cooler, all of these different things. This is one of the most flexible and versatile styles that we are going to talk about because so many people have it. Now, it doesn't have to be this big, huge production either. I went to a house the other day that actually had an old dresser in the middle of the kitchen as a kitchen island. I was like, wow, totally mind blown. Had never seen that before, but it's so creative. So now let's talk about one that people call a kitchen island all the time, but it's actually not. It's a kitchen peninsula. Now, a kitchen peninsula is attached to a wall or the countertop, and it has 3 accessible sides. It typically contains lower cabinets or drawers for extra storage on the interior side or sometimes on all 3 sides. It also provides extra counter space for food prep and eating. So a peninsula looks like an island. However, if it is attached to something, it's not an island, it's a peninsula. However, you can pull up bar stools to it and have a breakfast area if you would like. Next, we have a galley style kitchen. Now, a galley kitchen is a long, narrow kitchen that has base cabinets, wall cabinets, counters, or other surfaces located on one or both sides of a central walkway. Now, since galley kitchens can be small, they work really well in a kitchen that needs to save space. However, you may want to consider installing one in a larger space simply because it works so well. Some of the pros of a galley style kitchen are that it saves space and cost. And it's perfect for do-it-yourself remodeling. Now, some of the cons are that it's not necessarily good for more than 2 cooks at a time, and sometimes there can be less countertop and storage space. Also, sometimes with galley-style kitchens, it's harder to fit larger size appliances. So the L-shaped kitchen plan is one of the most popular and classic layouts, of course for great reason. It's super flexible and it can be adapted to many different sizes and styles of kitchens. Now, while the average size kitchen has definitely increased over the last few decades, Most kitchens do not have the capacity to handle 2 and 3 islands, a peninsula, and 12 miles of countertop space that is featured in a lot of lifestyle magazines and remodeling reality shows. But the L layout can fit perfectly into a 10 by 10 foot kitchen, which is still considered the benchmark for estimating the cost of cabinets and countertops and flooring. So the U-shaped kitchen design, also known as the horseshoe or the C-shape, is really popular right now with good reason. This is the type of kitchen design style that we have in our home, and I absolutely love it. It's the first time I've had a U-shaped kitchen, and honestly, I don't want to go back. Because of the structure of the kitchen that makes up that U-shape, you're going to have tons of storage space, cabinetry. Now we have upper and lower cabinets, so tons of kitchen appliances and utensils and items can go in there without it feeling really cramped. Now, of course, the bigger your kitchen, the bigger the U-shape, and that is going to be really contingent on how many cooks that you can have in there in a time. If you have a mid to larger size U-shaped, you can easily get 3 or 4 people in your kitchen at one time. But a U-shape is also really great for smaller kitchens as well. It makes it look a lot more spacious. So I purposely placed the G-shaped kitchen right by the U-shaped kitchen because they are similar, so similar. Actually, a G-shaped kitchen is just like a U-shaped kitchen, but as the shape of the letter suggests, there's an added counter area or peninsula. So a G-shaped kitchen refers to any kitchen hosting a 4-sided counter setup. Now, it's not a full 4-sided, it's not a square that you're stuck in forever. That 4th side will have just a little piece that just kind of juts out just a little bit, but just that little extra piece makes it a G kitchen, and it's also going to give you a little additional workspace or cabinet space. So here we are at the end of the video. Let me know down below in the comments section what are some of your favorites. Here are a few of mine. Like I said, I have a U-shaped kitchen at home. Let me know what type of kitchen design style that you have, or what kind would you build or renovate if you had the choice. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.